Alright, y'all, we are headed to the gym. I'm even wearing the same shirt as yesterday because we're just gonna get it all nice and sweaty. We're gonna train back. There's a Gold's Gym within walking distance of this place, so let's hit it. It is nice and sunny here in Austin. A little humid, but I like it. Everybody's super friendly. I could totally live here in Austin. Crystal's the navigator. Where is she taking us? Boom, y'all, Gold's Gym. Here we go. Just got a week's pass, putting our stuff in the system right now. Personal information?
Your address in there.
Pretty cool little setup. I'm digging it. What do you think?
It's good. We came here last year, but I actually didn't get to work out last time we were here, so I'm excited to get to work out in this gym.
Do it. What'd you think, Crystal?
It's a good workout.
Good workout?
275 on deads again.
Nice, let's do it. Pretty sweet gym. The gym had like a little lobby area with some Gold's Gym merchandise, so I got some 2 shirts to add to my gym shirt repertoire. Oh, you know what that is. What you drinking there, babe?
Double shot of espresso.
No cream?
No cream.
How
No
come?
sweetener. I'm doing it fast today.
Take a sip.
It's awful.
Do it. Yeah.
Oh.
Say something.
Say something.
Say something. We're in Austin, y'all.
We're in Austin. We're on 6th Street. We just got done with the gym, and this thing totally rocks.
Yeah, buddy.
Literally.
Alright, y'all, we're loading up everything back into the van. We're taking it to the convention center to set up our booth for Keto Con. Y'all, having a big van and a loading dock makes everything so much easier. Alright, y'all, just got done setting up the booth. Not gonna lie, the F-bomb rig makes our van look tiny. Alrighty, yo, we are headed to Academy Sports and Outdoors to pick up a hand washing station for the booth to comply with governmental food and health regulation laws. Isn't that right, babe?
That's right.
Let's do it. And then I think we might be meeting up with some special people to have a barbecue beef rib. I'm gonna get a beef rib, okay, a little bit of brisket and a sausage.
Gotcha.
Good?
We got some beef ribs.
Perfect.
Oh, we moving across.
Okay, wait, is this yours?
This is for the YouTube video right here. We got Maura, we got Danny. Teresa and Danny have been on my podcast more than anybody.
Special guest.
Yeah.
Yes, I need to get you 3 dinosaurs.
Eat my finger! Are you that hungry? You're gonna eat my finger?
So,
Alright, y'all, we just finished up with a little family reunion eating barbecue at Terry Black's. Now, we're gonna continue this little family reunion and go to Matt and Megha and Jimmy's book signing. Let's do it.
You nailed it. And so I stuck it out, and by the third
background or a healthy background, want to think we ate healthy. But the hardest thing for me
Years ago, you don't need near as much protein on keto to build muscle. I mean, I got down to 65 grams as a male, you know, bodybuilding the week before my show. She got down to 30 and won her show. You know, we were focusing on fat loss, and we took it really low. And we, like, when you take your protein lower, your ketone production ramps up if your fat ratio is high. Ketones are more muscle sparing. So we didn't lose any muscle mass with that low of protein. But if I'm trying to build muscle, I'll transition to a little bit higher protein ratio, but still my fat ratio is always higher because I feel better. Answer your question.
Thank you, Robert.
I got you on
Look at that smile. Look at that smile.
she was filming today, and immediately when I handed her the camera, she was...
Alright, y'all, book signing is done. Matt and Megha killed it. Jimmy Moore killed it. We all talked, we talked a lot. Everybody's talking. It was just super cool. It's super cool interacting with y'all. You know, we're blessed. We are blessed. Now, Crystal and I are thirsty because we talk so much. So we're gonna go get some water at Whole Foods. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, we're in the Austin Whole Foods. And this is, I think, is the original Whole Foods. I don't know, don't quote me on that. But this place is awesome. This totally blows our Whole Foods out of the water. They have like a wine bar, a like total meat bar, an artisan treats bar. They've got like, I mean, if we did like a keto grocery haul on this, it would take us for days. So we're gonna have to come back to Austin and do a grocery haul video because this place is awesome. Alrighty, yo, we are outside of the Whole Foods, about to head home, take a shower, and work on clients the rest of the night. We're waking up early, head to the gym. We're gonna train with several people. Danny Vega's gonna meet us there, Matt's gonna meet us there, and then I've got some clients that are gonna meet us there. We're just gonna kill it in the gym tomorrow morning. So, gonna go home, work on clients, and get ready for that. So, great day, awesome people. It's just an exciting time. So blessed to have all this awesomeness in my life, all these people. I'm happy. All right, y'all, take care.